Shut up and sit down.
Hello and welcome to another tips and tricks video in the series. In this one, I'm going to show you how to disable the parking sensors and the auto braking in your Yaris. But first I'm going to show you a scenario. You're in a car park, you're looking for a parking space, and at the back of the parking space there's a pole or there's something in the parking space. In my case, as you can see in the reversing camera here, I'm using a traffic cone so I don't damage the car. What I'm going to do is reverse up to the traffic cone as if I was parking the car, and I'll show you what the car does. So if you watch the dashboard and watch the reversing camera, I'm just going to take my foot off the brake and let the car roll up to the traffic light. Here it goes. The car stopped itself, no input from me. It then tells you to put your foot on the brake. Okay. It gets you quite close to the cone, but sometimes you might want to get a little bit closer because the car parking space isn't very long and the front of your car's sticking out of the parking space. So what you need to do is come down to what looks like a cog on the center screen, then scroll across with the arrow buttons until you get to parking assist. Yep, push the OK button and you turn the park assist system off. So now I'm going to reverse up to the traffic cone. As you can see here, I'm reversing up to the traffic cone. There's no beeps. The car's going to let me reverse right up to the traffic cone. For some reason, even though I've turned it off, it's still on the system. But you can see how close it let me get to the cone. This car does not want you to crash it. It does not want me to crash it. That's blind spot monitoring. That's pre-collision system. So I'm going to turn the pre-collision off now and see if it'll let me reverse up to the traffic cone without taking over. So let's reverse back up to that traffic cone and see what the car does. Now this time it's let me reverse into the traffic cone. It's actually let me touch the traffic cone. So we're touching the cone there just very lightly. Let's turn everything back on and try that again. Let's leave park assist off. Turn pre-collision back on and reverse back up to that traffic cone. It's pre-collision you have to turn off. if you want to get very, very close to something. We'll turn park assist back on. We'll try that again. Car's braked automatically for me. But as you can see, you can turn it off by turning off the pre-collision warning system, so you can get into the parking space a little bit further. Let's get an outside view of the car reversing to the cone, and let's see the car's reaction. Hopefully you saw there what the car was doing. It's picked the cone up on the sensors and it's automatically braked and stopped so I don't collide with it. But like I showed you, if you turn collision off, it means you can get a little bit closer and get your car into your parking space. Hey, thanks for watching another tips and tricks video. Please consider liking the video if you like these sort of things. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks very much.